Welcome. Today we're going to be discussing replacing vertical package HVAC units in multifamily residential buildings. So what are vertical package units, and basically how do you know if you have one? Well, if you have an in-unit HVAC, it's likely to be a vertical package HVAC unit. How do you know this? Well, if all the components, the evaporator, the condenser, the compressor, the electric heating coils, or even a natural gas furnace, are all in one cabinet and thus packaged together with no outside apparatus. There are three types of package HVAC unit. One uses an electric heater with heating coils. The second type is using a heat pump with air conditioning and two-stage heating. During the spring and fall, heat pumps provide high-efficiency heating. Then when the temperatures dip significantly below freezing, heating is provided by an electrical heater. And the third type uses a natural gas furnace. Comparing a vertical package HVAC unit to a split unit, the HVAC unit is assembled in a factory in a controlled environment. The refrigerant and the balance of motors are installed in a factory. This better ensures that the unit will operate efficiently. This energy efficiency of a package unit is guaranteed by the manufacturer. They require much less space and overall have a cheaper installation. Negatively though, the package HVAC units have a limited energy efficiency, typically with an SEER of 10 to 18. When considering replacing your package HVAC unit, you should probably take into account the following aspects. One such aspect is the cooling performance metrics. One such cooling performance metric is the cooling capacity, which is measured in tons or BTUs, which are British thermal units, per hour or ton. The second such metric is energy efficiency ratio, which is measured in cooling capacity divided by the wattage of power consumption. And the third is seasonal energy efficiency ratio, which is measured by the cooling output during a typical cooling season divided by the total electric energy input during the same period. You should also take into account the heating performance metrics, which are measured in heating capacity, similarly to cooling capacity in BTUs. Also, you should consider the coefficient of performance, which for heat pumps is measured by heat output divided by power supplied. You should also take into account the HVAC unit size, as in its ability to fit in your closet, and additionally the size of the wall opening in the closet and its location. When deciding on the capacity of an air conditioner for your home, you should take into account the following table, which shows the needed capacity in reference to the area of your home. You should also take into account other, more subtle things about the area where you live. For example, less cooling capacity is needed in the coldest and cold climate zones, and more cooling capacity is required in a hot climate zone. Sunny rooms require a 10% capacity increase, while shady rooms require a 10% capacity decrease. Kitchens require a 4,000 BTU per hour capacity increase, and more than 2 people regularly occupying the room require a 600 BTU per hour increase for each additional person. In addition, if the old HVAC unit provided sufficient cooling and heating, use the same HVAC capacity. When selecting an HVAC service provider and model, the following actions can help greatly in finding the right option for you. First, get 2 or 3 estimates from service providers with positive ratings from Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, or a similar service. Request bids for the same or similar HVAC models. Installers typically use only one manufacturer, prompting only their vertical package HVAC units. If offers differ by more than 10%, attentively compare the scope of work, equipment specification, and materials included in the offers. Manufacturer and service provider warranty terms and conditions can vary significantly. The details of the warranty are essential for selecting both the equipment and contractor. That's it for today's video on HVAC package units. Be sure to check back soon, as we'll have more videos coming down the line, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. We'll be answering as many as we can. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.